So I got the MX Master 4. Okay, I have so many mice. It's insane. At this point, it might as well be a collector's item for me because I can't use all of them at once. So, the packaging was awesome. I just loved it. It felt premium even though it was clearly like recycled material and all of that good stuff. So, yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very simple, straightforward. And it comes with this Type-C direct connector adapter thing, right? This is the first mouse I think they've come out with that has this Type-C option. All of them are just USB. So this is my vertical mouse that I have, and I point that slot out because I wish the other MX Masters had like a slot inside of the mouse to add the adapter with the mouse at all times, so that way I don't have to keep track of it. That's the one pro about the MX Master, or the vertical one. And the bottom looks similar to the MX Master 3. So nothing different there. You get 3 different ways to connect. I don't know why I did that. I was showing y'all. I wish there was like a slot for the adapter piece. But yeah, the bottom, if you have the MX Master 3, it looks the same. You could connect to 3 different computers if you want via Bluetooth. And then this is the MX Master 3. I'm just doing a slight comparison. As you can see, the materials are different. And I've been using the MX Master 4 for some months now at this point. There's no, like, you can't see any grease stains or oil stains from my fingers on the MX Master 4. The material feels way more premium. I really don't see any wear and tear. It doesn't look like I use it. Everything just feels much more premium. I love the haptic feedback that the wherever your thumb is supposed to rest, that button right there. For the MX Master 4, it just feels like how if you have an iPhone, like just that haptic feedback that you get from your phone or something. It's similar to that. And I like the feeling of it on my fingers. It feels like I'm more interactive, it feels more interactive with that, like icons on my screen and whatnot. But literally everything is the same from the bottom. And both of them, I believe they charge with USB-C. Yeah, I think both of them have a USB-C port for charging. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, the MX Master 4 just feels way more premium. I've been using it ever since. I still have my MX Master 3 on my desk. I haven't touched my MX Master 3. I might just like put it on display or something. Even this mouse, I use it from time to time, but I'm not using it often. It's a cute mouse, but you see how like it has that slot? I'm like, if all the MX Masters just had that slot, it would have been so perfect. I would not be complaining, to be honest. Because, I mostly connect my mice with Bluetooth. I've never had any connection issues with it. But still, I'm like, I buy too many of their mice. And I can't keep track of all these USB connector or adapter pieces or whatever. Or I don't even know what they're called. But yeah, if you like this video, let me know. I'm just here to share my love of technology here. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.